All right, y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and it's time for another product review from the one and only Lockpick Mall, lockpickmall.com. So yeah, what is it? These are some of the simplest lock opening tools I think there are, aside from like rakes, but these are kind of like rakes. These are jigglers. Now this is a 10 piece, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 piece jiggler set. Now just for fun, what I did was just to check the steel, because I was playing with them for a little bit and they are nice and tough. They seem to be pretty strong. So like I said, just for fun, I've got these hardness test files. I don't know if I showed those before. They are on the Rockwell C scale. And what I came up with was a hardness on the Rockwell C scale, a hardness between 45 and 50. So they're slightly harder than 45 and less than 50 on the Rockwell C-scale hardness. You might see on one of these, I don't remember which one it was now, but, right here. Very, very slight scratches on there. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but that's how I check the hardness on it. But, again, just for fun. But yeah, they seem to be pretty durable, pretty tough, and they need to be because the way they work is, now this key ring on here, this plays a part in this. Is when you're using one of these, you're going to hold on to the rest of these while giving a little bit of rotational tension. You're going to use that to give it the jiggle, the jigglers. You see? Use another one, do the same thing. Just grab them, put that little bit of rotational tension, and we're going to use that key ring to do the jiggle. That's simple. So I pulled out a couple of different car locks. I have one here. This is a door lock. About a set of door locks there. This one is for a GM, probably an older model. I didn't put the year in the box, I apologize. But yeah, older GM type car. I remember seeing these keys years ago. I haven't seen them in years. But yeah, very simple. This one again is for a door or a trunk maybe. Probably trunk lock. Actually probably both, door lock and trunk. Anywho, you get the idea. So single-sided. So what I would do is obviously grab one of these single-sided dudes, like this one right here, which actually looks like a key, right? Slide it in there, and well, we barely have to jiggle that one. And there we go. We just opened that door or trunk. Look at that. It's working real good. Don't even really have to jiggle that one. Let's see if we can grab another one we need to jiggle. Let's try this dude. It's kind of hyper. There we go. We just opened it again. But you get the idea. You put it in. While you're giving it that rotational tension, use that to bounce it, to jiggle it. See that? We just opened that right up. Bada boom, bada bang. You got to use those magic words too, though. Bada boom, bada bang. And you'll get them open. But yeah, they work great, man. They're super simple and they work. So let's try something a little harder. This is for a, which one's this for? This is for a Nissan. Okay, a little more high security. Okay, this was a double-sided one. All right, this is an ignition. Okay, Nissan ignition. So we're gonna have to use something a little more hyper. Probably something like this dude right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna use the keys as a handle and use that to jiggle. I'm gonna put it in there. All the way in. Alright, and a little bit of rotational tension and a jiggle. I'm going to reset there. Reset. These are luck tools. You're kind of hoping it opens, right? A little bit of jiggle, a little bit of rotational tension. Gosh. I forgot to say the magic words. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, reset. Sure would be easier if that was mounted, wouldn't it? Got anything more hyper? Maybe less hyper? Let's try this dude. All the way in. Same idea. Oh, there we go. We just opened that ignition. You see that? One tool doesn't work, try another one. But that's the idea. You see how easy that one worked right there? So that's why they've got 10 different ones here. So if one doesn't work, try another one. That's why they're all different wild shapes, because you never know. Something really weird like this might work in one lock and not work in any others. But this one right here might do the trick in the others. So on and so forth. But that's why there's so many very weird shapes. You might think, wow, some of those are kind of useless. Well, you never know. You know, it could be, again, this really funky one right there. That could be the lucky one. But that's why there's so many different shapes. So there it is. The 10-piece jiggler set. By the way, on the website, these things run $9.99. I'll leave a link for those and the discount information down in the description section of this video if you're interested in them. Okay? So check it out. All right, thank you all so much for tuning in. Have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Okay, remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so because all the cool people are doing it. You don't want to be left out. Thank you.